Hey guys, this is Michael Parr from the SHOT Show 24. I found an amazing innovation. It's the company Sling Guru, and just explain it to the guys.
So we have a single point sling that solves most of the problems that was associated with single point. Number one, we have one attachment for any, it's a universal attachment. It's very simple. It'll attach to whether a collapsible or a fixed stock, ARs, shotguns, any kind of weapon, it fits. And it attaches it directly onto your body like a shoulder harness. And if I need it right away, all I do is bring it up, come up on target. I can transition here, and if I let it go, it falls off to the side so I can come out with my sidearm. It does not hit me in the groin, and it doesn't hit me in interfere with the sidearm. Then if I want to get fancy and I want to go hands-on, I could actually put it behind my back, so it's here. And then if I need it right now, I reach back around, bring it back around, I come back on target.
And additional, whenever you're using a blade carrier in tactical fields, operations, also working perfectly. You can explain it better.
Yes. So what we can do, we made it so you could put this system onto a backpack. Any backpack, you put it on. Anytime you put your backpack on, now you have a sling. So the same system, if you're hunting or if you have this as a go bag, you put it on, same thing. Come up on target, transition, carry it all day long. It's very comfortable. It doesn't come into your neck like a traditional sling, and it falls off to your side. No metal part, so it doesn't make any noise, but we use injected plastic molding, so it's very strong, strong as steel. Our weakest point, people want to know where's the weakest point? It would have to be this buckle, which is a side release buckle, and the break strength on it is 185 pounds. Very strong enough to hold any weapon. It's not made to be load bearing, it's made to carry the weapon. So there's no weapon, no small arms that will reach 185 pounds.
And explain why you put it on the left side.
Yes, so we put it on our left side for a specific reason. So if I'm a right-handed shooter, I don't want the weapon to be interfere with my sidearm. So being on the left side, when I reach it for my weapon, it's away from my sidearm. I have access to both. And it doesn't interfere with any of my materials that I may have when you're wearing a bulletproof vest or a load-bearing vest.
Perfect. Thank you so much for showing us.
Thank you. Would you like a sample?
I will take it to Germany and show you guys.
Excellent.